Friends, spring is finally here. This is one of my favorite times of year. There's no bugs out yet. The snow has all melted, so the water table is really high, which means it's one of the best times to go exploring waterfalls, which is what we're going to do today. So friends, today I'm going to take you to see Grand Falls in northern New Brunswick, Canada. Grand Falls, when the water's high and it's flowing under full capacity, is actually one of the largest volume waterfalls in all of Atlantic Canada. So hopefully that's the case when we get there. It's going to be a few hours of driving before we get there. You can see that tree on the left-hand side of the highway that towers above all the other trees. That is actually the largest and oldest white pine in all of New Brunswick. I actually did a video on that. That tree is about 25 feet around at the trunk, so it's right in the village of Aroostook. I'll leave a link somewhere for that video. Well friends, we made it to Grand Falls and there is an abundance of water flow, so let's go take a closer look. There's also a zip line that you can take over the top of the falls. Friends, it's pretty amazing. I've been here probably 3 times in the last 10 years, and it was always late summer or early fall, and the water level was low, and there's a hydro dam here, so they divert water as well for hydroelectricity. And all those 3 times when I came here, the waterfall was completely dry. It was just a pile of rocks. There was no water coming over the top, and it's incredible to see it today compared to then. I see a little platform down there. I think I'm going to go see if I can get down to that. So here's where the zip line lands on the other side. There's the cables going across, you can see them. And there's a little platform down here. We'll go take a look from down here. Interesting fact I just found out, Grand Falls is the hometown of Ron Turcotte. Ron Turcotte was the jockey for Secretariat, and of course he rode Secretariat to the Triple Crown in 1973. So there's a statue here of him and Secretariat in downtown Grand Falls, and a plaque telling about his story. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed exploring Grand Falls, New Brunswick. Let me encourage you to get out and enjoy God's creation. Have a wonderful and blessed day, friends.